Hello, welcome back. This is starting off a new set of series, just a few little snippets about SunBurn and the SunBurn Editor, especially in relation to Blender. I mean, you could use any other 3D tool, but we're focused on Blender for the series. And this is going to a few little issues that I had when I was first sorting out with SunBurn. Things that I quite frankly banged my head against the table of trying to get sorted, so hopefully there's a hope you guys are getting on. So here we are, got a basic scene here, and I've got two cubes. I've got one which is fully light mapped, works and is quite happy in the world, and I've got this other one where the actual light mapping is disabled. Now the reason for this is simply because it's not got a second uniquely mapped UV channel. That is not part of the main view. That's simple as that. It's just not been set up correctly. Now this might be true if you've got a model in from another model resource, or your artist's going to go made you one or anything else or whatever, or you simply forgot when you're actually building the thing. Should have watched the video. Right, so if we quickly switch over to Blender, you can see here there's our object set up. By going on to our object data tab, we can see here that we've only got a single UV texture. Now, simple fix to this, doesn't take much effort, is to create a second UV texture itself. It's called the light map. Okay, and you'll notice here, this is important, it is actually not the active UV layer, it is actually showing as disabled because only one can be active at a time. Then we have to make sure that when we go into edit mode, that for our second light map, let's just make sure that it is unwrapped correctly. And it's hiding the option for me. And there we go. And we just do our smart projection again, or whichever mapping option you want. All there, make sure that's nice and saved. And then export that out to FBX. And I'm actually going to go and put it directly into my content project. Switch back over to my editor and then import that new model. Away it goes, off it's importing away. Now it's keen to know, while that's importing, I'll quickly switch back to Blender and make one point, is that if you're using Blender for editing these images yourself and you've got in a model from a third party somewhere else, and you intend to use Blender to try and fix this issue, you must note the fact that Blender's got a limited set of actual imports it can do. Now you'll notice one that is not in there is the actual FBX format. It seems it's actually dramatically hard to import anything as from an FBX file. Even with the Autodesk tools themselves, it's not that easy. So it's note the fact that when you're getting hold of any source files from wherever you are, whether it's from a 3D library or from someone else, make sure it's in the format of the tools that you're using that they support. Now Blender does actually have a load of scripts for other import file types. Just check before you actually go in getting any, so it'll save you some hassle, especially if you're buying some of these models. You may not be doing themselves. So here we go, right, that's imported. Quickly jump over, so there's our new light map one, drag it into the scene. Just move it around a bit, it's a bit easy. And selecting this, you notice, yeah, there we are, the light map option is now available. It's now black because obviously we've got the lights are actually set to light map. Quickly change those just to prove a point, really. And we go over, relight that scene now. And there we go, light mapping working, it's properly shaded as it should do with the rest, and done. Right, in the next one we're going over another issue, but for now, ta-ta.